Good morning, Scots. I'm Ashira.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Hannah.
Today's show is dedicated for our future ASB students for next school year.
Each student will explain why you should vote for them into ASB here at Highland.
So listen up, Scots, and make sure you vote because your vote matters.
What is your name and why should your classmates vote for you to get into ASB?
I'm Rachel Suwada and I am running for ASB president. I would help this position as president for the past 3 years and I don't plan on losing that. I vow to make Highland a very fun place with very enjoyable activities for everyone involved to make it memorable.
I'm James Murillo, and I'm running for school site council, and I think my classmates should vote for me because I want to bring opportunities for Highland.
Hi, my name is Rochelle Beza. I am a junior here at Highland, and I am running for rally chair. You should vote for me because I can create fun rallies and events for this next school year.
My name is Alexis Jackson. I'm a junior. I'm running for rally chair, and you should vote for me because I am upbeat and I can make rallies as fun as possible.
My name is Andrew Roscoe. I am currently a junior, and I'm running for rally chair. I think you should vote for me because my sister Ava Roscoe was rally chair not too long ago, and I think I can do just as good as her, if not better, at bringing school spirit to the rallies.
My name is Caleb, and I think you should vote for me because I am running for the same position that I was currently in this year. So I have the experience, and if you don't vote for me, it's okay because I'm the only one on the ballot, so I win.
My name is Aubrey Segura and I'm running for ASB Vice President, and I think you should vote for me because I have previous ASB experience and I'm determined to make this school a more enjoyable and spirited place.
Hi, my name is Brianna and I'm running for Rally Chair. I'm currently a junior, and why you should vote me is because I'm going to bring the hype and I'm totally going to plan amazing events for you guys, and yeah. Thank you.
Go Bree! I'm running for ASB Secretary. You guys should vote for me because I'm organized and have a good work ethic. I'm also involved in different sports around school, and I'm an AP student, and I think I'm qualified for this job. And thank you for your time. Plato.
And I'm running for school site council. I think I'm best for the position because of my abilities to communicate with both the students and the admin about concerns with or about the school.
Hi guys, my name is Ashi Moji and I'm in 11th grade and I'm going for ASB Vice President. I believe you guys should vote for me because I am an organized, responsible, and reliable person, and I have been in student council for the past 3 years and have been able to be vice president for student council. So I believe that I have the leadership experience for this position.
Stevie Daly, and I'm running for school site council, and I think that everybody should vote for me because I'm determined, I'm hardworking, and I want to make school campus life better for everybody.
Hello, my name is Giselle Guerrero, and I'm currently a sophomore, and I'm Commissioner of Community Service, but this year I'm running for Secretary. You guys should vote for me because I have lots of experience, and I want school to be able to be a place where kids want to be at and not where they're dreading to be at, and to make sure it's fun and everyone has fun and they're comfortable here at Highland.
Hi, I'm Ashley Martinez. I'm running for Secretary. I'm a sophomore and I believe that everyone should vote for me because I'm a great leader and I have a great work ethic and I think I'd be the best candidate.
I am Katie, and you should vote for me to be school site council because I'm determined to make Highland a better place for everyone.
My name is Sienna Burns, and I'm currently a sophomore, and I'm running for secretary. I believe I'm definitely the best candidate because I'm an extremely passionate person, and I'm very passionate about this role, and I think I'll definitely do a good job at making the school a better environment for everyone. So thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Ari Cross and I am a junior at Highland High School, and I am running for ASB Secretary. I feel that even if I am not the best for the position, I feel that I can do a lot for you guys and strive for the best, and I have strove for the best in the past by being in student council for 2 years as a secretary, and I feel that because of that and because of how motivated and determined I am for you all, you should vote me.
My name is Angel Camacho Higuera, and I am in the 11th grade and I am running for ASB Rally Chair. And I believe that I am the best candidate because I have efficient speaking skills and I have a really positive attitude.
Students, you can start by voting by scanning the QR code on your screen right now.
Only 9th, 10th, and 11th may vote. No seniors.
Voting closes today at 4 p.m.
Scan the QR code and vote now.
Thank you for voting.
And remember to plat up.